guys, and welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I am just filming a casual chatty get ready with me video. I haven't done one of these in a little while, so I thought I would update you guys on some stuff that's going on with me for the new year. Very casual, dog in the background, you guys are used to this. So yeah, let's get on into it. So I already have my foundation on today because I am doing a review and demo of the Burt's Bees foundation. This one, the Goodness Glows Liquid Makeup Foundation. So I will link that if it's up before this video. But yeah, let's get into some updates. So first I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and I am absolutely loving this concealer. It is so good. You're going to see a lot of the products that I use today are products that are going to be in my upcoming favorites video. So the reason I wanted to do a chatty get ready with me today is because I wanted to talk about some new stuff for the new year. I'm really trying hard to do 3 videos a week, but I messed up last week, and it probably isn't going to go the way I want it to because I do work more than one job, so it's hard for me to keep up with the filming schedule sometimes. And then I have a 1.5-year-old son, but I'm really trying to branch out, and I would like to do more fashion videos. I've got some ideas for those, and I'm really excited for this year. I think it's going to be a good year on my channel. We are almost to 5,000 subscribers, which I am very excited about. I couldn't even believe when one person watched me, let alone 5,000 people. That seems insane to me. Next, I'm going to go in with my NARS little translucent crystal powder and apply that to my face. So speaking of 5,000 subscribers, I am going to be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you guys are interested in entering that, I will link it down below. I will also do a dedicated video talking about the 5,000 subscriber video, so you don't have to enter now if you don't want to. You can wait for that video. But if you want to get an early entry, go ahead and do that. I will link it down in the info box below. I'm just going to be giving away a bunch of makeup items, probably some skincare, and we'll see. Just kind of random items that I love. So I wanted to really introduce you guys to some items that maybe you haven't tried yet and that I talk about all the time on my channel because I love them. So I will link the giveaway down below, like I said. Next up, I'm going to use my little e.l.f. palette. This is the Total Face palette, and I'm going to apply some blush, bronzer, and highlight. So some other stuff that's going on this year is I started the keto diet. I'm sure you guys have heard a million things about keto at this point. It's kind of a fad diet. It's one of the most popular diets in the world right now, and I actually started the keto diet back on January 1st. I stuck with it for about a week, and then I fell off the bandwagon for 2 weeks in there. So now this week is week 4, and I'm going back on it. So I kind of fell off the bandwagon, not totally. I was doing more of a low-carb diet rather than keto, because keto is very restrictive with carbs, and low-carb, you can still do low-carb and not be keto. So I kind of did a low-carb thing for a little while, and that didn't work very well for me, so I decided to go back to keto. I'm trying to lose the baby weight that I've had on me for 1.5 years now. I never really was overly serious about losing the baby weight. I mean, like, I was never really totally motivated to lose it or felt that I really needed to until now, because the Christmas holidays came and I gained another 10 pounds. So I feel very uncomfortable at this point. So my main goal is to lose 30 pounds. Which would be the baby weight, and then I'd be back to pre-baby weight. And my long-term goal is 40 pounds. Then I would be back to the smallest I've ever been in my life. So yeah, that's around 140 pounds. And I haven't been that small since my early 20s. So I would like to get there. I'm also working out or starting a workout plan as well along with keto. So I'm not just doing the dieting, I'm also exercising. Because I really want to tone as well as lose weight. Back when I was 140 pounds, I had very, very toned legs because I worked out with a personal trainer, and I miss that. I miss the toned legs because definitely those went away when I stopped working out. So I would like to get those back. I also really want to tone up my arms because if you guys have ever seen any of my skin surgery videos, I have some work to do on my arms. They are not totally toned after the surgery because she missed some skin. So I really need to tone up my arms to make the skin look less noticeable. So yeah, just really overall, I am just looking to lose some weight and tone up a little bit, and I'm excited to do that on keto and my new weight loss exercise plan. So I will be doing a keto video eventually once I lose some more weight, because I want to talk about my experience and how long it took me to lose weight and stuff like that. I've lost 5 pounds so far on the keto diet, but then, you know, I had those 2 weeks where I wasn't really doing it, so I gained about 2 pounds back, and then now I'm back on keto again. So I haven't really had enough time on the diet to be able to really talk about it, or share my experience and stuff like that, or share my weight loss story yet. So it'll probably be around 3 months, I would say, that I'll probably do an update about keto. I might do some vlogs too, if you guys want to see that. Me vlogging kind of my exercise routine and maybe the keto diet, the stuff that I eat. So if you want to see that, definitely let me know. Next up, I'm just going to do a real quick eye look with my e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette, which I love. So I would love to hear from you guys if any of you have tried the keto diet or are on it right now. Any tips or tricks you have for me. One of the main things that I'm really struggling with is sugar cravings. So I'm really craving sweets and stuff. So I would really like to know if you have any tips or tricks for combating those cravings, because that's really what I struggle with when it comes to going off of the keto diet and into more of a low carb, is binging. Well, not binging, because I'll eat like one sweet, which you're really not supposed to on keto. So I would love to know what you guys do when you're having those kind of cravings. I know that your body, when you're craving like certain things, your body is telling you that you need a certain like nutrient. Maybe I should research that and see what I need. It's probably like fruit and stuff, but you can only have berries on keto. Maybe that would help though. So I would love to hear from any of you guys down in the comments section if you've been on keto or if you are on keto. Anything you want to tell me, just let me know down in the comments section. I would love to hear. So in other updates, if you guys follow my narcolepsy story, I will update you a little bit on that. I'm doing pretty well. So I've been switched on a lot of different medications and done the whole medication trial thing, and that took several months. So I'm finally on a medication that seems to work pretty well. I take Concerta, and I take 54 milligrams in the morning, and then in the afternoon I start to get really tired after about 4 hours, so I take another 20. And that gets me through the workday most days. So I struggle a little bit because, like I said, I do work more than one job, so I need to be awake not only in the morning but in the evening too, so I can work that job as well. So I do struggle a little bit with excessive tiredness when I'm trying to do my other job. And like most of the time I get way too tired to even do YouTube. So it's a struggle, but I feel a lot better than I felt before medication, so that's a good thing. Also, if you were interested, my son is also doing really well too. He is 1.5 years now, and he's just awesome. He's like the best behaved child I've ever met. So I really absolutely love just spending every day with him. I'm lucky enough where I get to work from home. So while I'm working, I get to be with him. He's in the room with me. He's actually taking a nap right now. But normally he would be in this room with me just hanging out and playing with his toys. That's why the room is a mess, because he was up earlier. But he's doing awesome. He's saying so many words now. He's been walking for quite some time. And he's just so intelligent. So I just love it. He's actually getting ready for potty training. He's been kind of like telling us that he has to go potty. So we're going to be starting him potty training soon, which is exciting and kind of nerve-wracking, but I think he'll get the hang of it pretty quickly. I was not intending on doing such a bold eye look, but that's usually what happens to me. I just wanted to do something neutral, and this is not neutral in the slightest. So now I'm just going to pop on my brows real quick, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I popped on some mascara as well as my eyebrows. They need to be threaded quite badly. I was wondering if you guys wanted to see a eyebrow threading video, if you guys were interested in that, or if you guys already know pretty much what that is and that would be pointless. Just let me know down in the comments section. So now I'm going to be applying my lipstick, which is actually one of the Burt's Bees lipsticks in Blush Basin number 501. They look like this. This is the little cover for it. I actually really like these, and I haven't worn bullet lipsticks in a really long time. Okay, so that's a lot more pink than I anticipated, so I'm probably gonna change that lipstick, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down in the comments section if you have any ideas or any thoughts about keto. That would be wonderful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.